What if you could see tomorrow, today? Not through a crystal ball, but through real numbers, real technology, and a real opportunity. The question is, would you act or let it slip away like so many others? Like the stock you didn't buy, the land you didn't claim, the opportunity you didn't take. How many more opportunities will pass you by before you finally say yes? Because once every decade, something massive comes along. In the 70s, VCRs changed how we watched TV. In the 80s, personal computers changed how we worked. In the 90s, the internet changed everything. And the early movers became millionaires, and some even became billionaires. Now it's happening again. This time, it's not VCRs or .coms. It's DeFi and smart contract technology. It's crypto staking made simple, thanks to innovative tools and a user-first approach, because everyday people deserve access to powerful financial opportunities. It's the largest wealth transformation without borders or middlemen. The next trillion-dollar shift isn't wellness. It's crypto wealth transformation fueled by DeFi and smart contract technology. This isn't hype. It's happening right now. We're watching the financial system itself being rewritten. Traditional banks are being replaced with protocols. Lending, borrowing, insurance, and trading are being handled by code, not institutions. This is creating a peer-to-peer global economy where value flows without borders or middlemen. Wealth is flowing into decentralized protocols, and early adopters are building passive income streams, staking rewards, and establishing financial freedom like never before. But for most people, the crypto world still feels overwhelming, confusing, even risky. Welcome to the digital revolution, where the transfer of wealth is reshaping the world and putting power back into the hands of the people. Imagine earning every single day, multiplying your wealth while you sleep, and finally escaping the limits of traditional finance. This isn't a dream, it's your new reality. Leading this global movement is the Global Alliance team, a powerhouse of marketing veterans with over 100 years of combined experience, now united to help you win in the crypto space. We've partnered with the revolutionary Mint Stake Share, MSS, the next-generation crypto staking platform that turns your crypto investment into a wealth-building machine. This isn't just another crypto play. This is your once-in-a-lifetime invitation to build real, lasting wealth. The future is here. Are you ready to grab your share? With MSS, you can stake your MSS tokens in their smart contract that compounds them at an astonishing 2% daily. Once you've achieved your deposit goals of 100,000 or more, you can begin collecting your coins at a rate of 1% per day up to 7 days. MSS gives you the power to earn coins from your own purchases through its unique NFT system. The best part, you don't have to refer a single person to earn. This is your personal gateway to true hands-free residual income. Imagine building a crypto account that pays you, even when you're not working. Whether you're on the beach, out with friends, or just enjoying life, your income keeps flowing. It's not just passive income, it's a lifestyle by design. No limits, just pure financial potential, all while leveraging the power of compound interest to skyrocket your earnings. The numbers don't lie because success is all about results. Kickstart your MSS staking account for just $50 a month. Earn coins on every MSS purchase and supercharge your growth with extra deposits. The more you buy, the faster you grow. This is crypto staking, built for the next generation. With a monthly investment of just $50 and consistent compounding over 270 days, you could start earning thousands per month without recruiting a single person. This is your opportunity to build a powerful residual crypto income in less than 9 months. Are you ready to elevate your earnings? If you're aiming for more than passive gains, you can launch a serious crypto business with as little as $50 to $200 a month. MSS's revolutionary NFT staking model is your path to building real income and long-term crypto success. This isn't just staking, it's stacking your income with powerful NFTs that work for you around the clock. Start by choosing your NFT level: bronze, silver, gold, ruby, or diamond. Each level gives you access to bigger rewards and higher daily returns. The best part? You don't have huge sales or recruiting requirements to start earning. This is your personal gateway to true hands-free recurring income. Using MSS is that easy. Imagine watching your income grow month after month without changing your lifestyle or taking on extra work. Climb the NFT tiers and multiply your returns. With our simple and powerful crypto strategy, your money works for you 24/7, compounding steadily to generate consistent earnings. There are no limits, and your residual income is 100% uncapped. It's time to turn a small monthly investment into a long-term income stream. The earning potential with MSS is truly impressive, and it gets even better when you share the opportunity with others. You can grow your income even faster and earn more each month. It's easy to share MSS once you start earning. It doesn't take a lot of people. Even if you are not a big go-getter or good at recruiting or selling, imagine just referring only 5 members who buys MSS, even if it takes you months. The Global Alliance team will help teach your 5 members to do the same, even if it takes a full year. Your crypto income would be over $24,000 in residual income per month. We know everything is not going to work that perfect, but even if you failed by 90%, you would still have the potential to earn over $2,400 per month paid in BNB straight to your wallet. Whether you're just starting out or you're ready to go big, there's a level for everyone. MSS is giving everyday people the tools to generate life-changing income, all through the power of blockchain and smart contract technology. Choose your level and secure your passive residual income month after month. The higher you go, the more you earn. You have the potential to create unlimited residual income. Our second source of income is paid in USDT or USDC when someone buys one of our NFTs. The compensation plan pays you for selling the NFTs to your existing members without referring any new people. Your income can almost double to $18,000 per month over time. Even if you struggle and fail to achieve your goals, your NFT income would be over $1,800 per month paid in USDT or USDC. That would be over $4,200 a month in residual income from members buying MSS and NFTs. That's life-changing income from both income streams. You're not just helping others, you're unlocking the potential to earn big yourself. By sharing this opportunity, you empower others and open the door to serious rewards. Give more. Earn more. It's that simple. Imagine building a network where your residual income keeps flowing and flowing. No limits, no caps, just pure crypto profits. This is a system built for sustainability. Unlike fleeting projects, MSS is designed for long-term success. We have a 20 million wallet cap that is built for sustainability, plus an increasing throttle system that prevents you from hyper-compounding. The more you grow your MSS business, the more the system supports you financially. This isn't just another online opportunity. This is a game changer in the crypto space. It's a crypto-powered wealth vehicle that rewards you daily, while helping others do the same. So when your kids or grandkids ask, "Where were you when everything shifted to crypto?" you'll be able to say, "I saw it, and I seized it." The only question left is, will you let this moment pass you by? Or will you step into the future with us, right now? Click the link below and join us today, or get back to the person that sent you this video and get your questions answered. And start building your crypto business for just $50 per month. The future is already here. Why just observe when you can profit? Take your share of MSS and own the moment. Get started with MSS today and get paid today. Opportunity comes around twice in a person's lifetime. The question is this your first or your last?